What's up, guys? It's Amira and it's Amira, and today we're gonna make some slime. Sorry about the noise. My mom was on her phone. We're gonna make some slime, and I got all the ingredients. So I'm gonna use one slime. We're gonna make 4 different small slimes. I got all these ingredients from the Dollar Tree, except for this bowl. It's for my fingerlings, mini fingerlings bowl. So I'm gonna use a bowl. Oh, I forgot a utensil. Wait, I think I have like a pen over there. Let me try to get it. No, this is the pencil that's not even sharpened, and it never gets sharpened. So I'll use this as a utensil. You can use a spoon or a spatula. So, and also I'm gonna use some glitter, sparkles. Here's some sparkles. I'm gonna use some of this in my slimes. I'm excited today because I can finally make it. Oh, shaving cream? No. I know I made some slime, but last time it turned out a disaster, and now I'm gonna still make some slime. You'll need some water. I put it in this bottle. And you'll need 4 different colors, but color is optional, glitter is optional, shaving cream is optional, water is optional. It's like those are the toppings. Like glitter is optional, like I said. So, and you need some Tide. Okay, can you stop that? Can you stop that? Because I'm recording. Can you stop, please?
Did you?
Alright, let's just start. Okay, let's move some of this to the side.
So my mom is crazy about Nancy Alam.
Okay, this. So we can make 4 different small slimes. And I know it works. Ugh. I'll say that much is good. That's all. So I added some glue. And now what color should I add first? Maybe blue. Blue, 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 blue. Give me some blue now. There we go. There. There we go. Now I'm gonna mix it in. There we go. Look at that. It's starting to get the color. You're still gonna be a mystery.
Mystery what?
You're still gonna be a mystery.
Mystery my booty. I'm going up to play Fortnite.
Okay, now I'm gonna add a little water.
Can you go see Jake Kwan's on?
No, I'm recording.
Yes.
I can't right now.
Go see Tyrone's on.
No, I can't because it's gonna log out when I'm recording.
I don't care.
Did you have the phone first? No.
Oh,
Stop!
No, I'm not. I forgot. I was a mystery. I was about to jump on you right now. Yeah, guys, I just got myself a new keyboard, and it's better than all y'all, and I'm better than everyone that is watching here. I'm better than everyone at Fortnite, and Amira right here is cuckoo. Oh my God.
You showed your head.
I'm stupid.
Okay, I'm gonna add a little. That much at a time. I know it works. It works. It has to work. And it's already working because I know it's gonna work. That's annoying. It's clumping up. As you can see, it's clumping. Which is good. It's good. Because when it clumps up, you can add a little by little. Because I don't want to mess up on this. Look at that. It actually works. It's clumping up, but I think it needs a little activator because I can't play with it that way. It's sticky. That's why I'm going to mix. Look at that. And any PVA or school glue works for it. Like, doesn't stick, but I'm going to still mix. Look at that. It's cool, but I think it needs a little, what's that? Ooh, I don't read that book no more, which is an old book so I can play with the slime. Alright. This book is called David Goes to School. It's by David, whatever, I don't know how to read his last name. Okay, I'm gonna keep on mixing it. Comment down below if you have this book. Woo, look at this. That's amazing. But it's still a little sticky, so I'm gonna add a little more Tide. It's actually working. You can see that, right? What? He's upstairs playing Fortnite. What? Oh, Sufyan. Mom said you have oranges now.
I'm looking for my controller.
Controller? It's not room. Oh, this is so cool. There we go. There we go. Okay, I think it's perfect now. Because it's starting to really clump up now. I'm gonna put this on thing. Gotta get in with my hands now. Okay, there we go. This side. That's cool. I'm gonna start kneading it with my hands now. It's actually working. I know it will work. So if you have any of these ingredients or all, you need all of these ingredients to make it. So I'm gonna add a little more because it's a little sticky to my hands. It's sticky, but more Tide makes it better. I'm also gonna, for the next one, I'm gonna make some fluffy. I'm gonna try to make some fluffy.
Stop right there, Panama.
And I'm not listening to him because last time he says, add more Tide to make it not sticky. And then I added a lot more.
You said it yourself that you added a lot.
No, I didn't. Because you told me you said to add a lot more. That's what you said.
I didn't say add a lot more. I said add a little bit more.
No, you didn't. I didn't hear him. What? I'm recording. No, I'm using this book that I don't read no more. I'm putting it on top. I'm not.
See, instead of using that book to give it to someone else, she's going to use it as her play table.
Yeah, because I don't have a table, so.
Yeah, you do. You just don't use it.
Where?
Upstairs in your room.
Yeah, that's all chunky, and it'll go through my table. Whew. Okay, it's starting not to be sticky no more, which is a good point. There we go. Okay, I'm going to start kneading it with my hands now. That's cool. It's actually working.
What, you making fluffy slime?
No, this is, I don't know, regular slime. It actually works.
Don't be making a 30-minute video now, okay?
I'm not. All my other videos are like 10 or up than 10. Like 10
really?
Or 15. Like
Are you sure about that?
Yeah. I know my other Roblox video, it was like a 30-minute video, but...
No, be quiet. You said making clay. You said some making clay, and it took you like some 33 minutes.
No, yeah, because at first it was all gooey. I was making clay. At first it was all gooey, and I thought it was slime, and I was like, no, it wasn't slime. So I kept on mixing it, and it actually turned like clay. Guys, this is perfect. All right, can you just like get out my video, please? Stupid. Look at this. It's actually perfect. Perfect slime.
So you can make some Play-Doh?
It's not Play-Doh, it's clay.
Hold up, it took you 33 whole minutes and I don't know how many seconds. So you can make Play-Doh, lotion, and water all mixed up together.
That wasn't Play-Doh, lotion, and water.
How do you get
This is my old Play-Doh slime.
Little.
But instead, I'm gonna make some regular slime, which is really funner.
Little.
You just showed your hand.
No, I didn't.
And your face.
No, I didn't.
From there.
Restart the video.
No.
Yeah.
I was just kidding. I was lying to you.
No, I don't care.
I was lying.
Say wallah.
I didn't even see it.
Say wallah.
Wallah, I didn't see it. I didn't see if you're...
Wallah, you didn't see it, or if I wasn't in the video.
I didn't see.
Why is your face?
You gotta really look at the mirror.
Your face is like so smackable.
It's so
like...
cool. Look at that, guys.
Wow, what a slime.
Okay, gonna add this to a container. Should I add some glitter? off my chair. And add a little bit. Look at it, it actually worked, and I'm not listening to Sufyan anymore because he ruined it last time. And this is even better than last time. It's even better. It actually worked. And can you stop talking Arabic, please? I told you to stop and you're still talking like that. Yes. I swear. Your reflection is on the mirror, so you can get off, please. That's cool. Makeup hoops like everyone does.
Mama, this is actually a lot of fun.
Okay, can you get off my trampoline chair? I call it trampoline chair. Comment down below if you know how it's called.
Okay, guys, I'm going to study.
Alright. There we go.
Stop.
Okay, next is Fluffy slime. Yeah, and I still have tons of slime in here that I still didn't put in. So now I needed it. It's actually really good slime. And try to get all of it off here. Gotta go in with my hands again. The best of the best. I don't like to go in with my hands. Only if it's like soft. Ew! I guess I gotta need this blue one again. Because it's like annoying me now. Gotta need it now. More because of the bowl. I just want to make some slime. Why you gotta do this to me? Okay, I think that's enough. It's getting stickier. That's why I have more Tide. Add a little more to make it just a touch up. There we go. I added a drop to it. It worked and it's way better. And if you were wondering how my brother, he always said to add more Tide. And he said add a lot more Tide to that. And then I added a lot more to all of them because they weren't working. And then it was a disaster. I made it yesterday and it turned out a disaster. So I thought today I'll make it a new one with you guys. Okay. I think that's enough. Wait, where's the container? Oh. Yeah. There we go. First container down. Blue one off to the side over here. Next is red. First, you're gonna add some glue like always. Glue, glue, glue. Okay, that's enough. That's enough glue, okay? You don't need to be mean. Next up, I still have some slime on here, but it's fine. Okay, crap, I got some on the table. Oh, who cares? Okay, it takes a lot of red because I really want bread. I don't want it pink. This one is going to be fluffy, and it just continues to make pink. But who cares? I like pink. It's cute. Oh, is it actually going to turn red right now? There we go. There we go. Gonna add some shaving cream to make it fluffy. Okay, that's enough shaving cream, okay? Add a little more. Okay, that's enough. Okay. Added way more shaving cream than I should. There we go. It's really getting light pink because of the shaving cream. It makes it a lighter color because it's really white and it's really fluffy. So, okay. Now I'm gonna add some Tide. Will it color my slime? Please don't color it blue, please. Oh, it's actually staying. Please don't turn out a fail. Why is everybody going upstairs and I'm the only one? Oh, it's actually turned out fluffy. Look at this. It's actually turned out fluffy. I'm gonna knead it with my hands. Come down to watch me make some slime. There's still tons of it in here. Slimic.
Slimic, like Bionic, and Shronic, and Chronic, and Amir and Norzik, and I don't know. Can I just say one thing?
What?
It's something bad about you. Can I say it?
No.
Why?
Because it's my channel. Oops.
Everyone,
Need more
add
shaving cream.
me. Add me. Add me. Where'd you get that shaving cream?
We bought it.
When?
You bought
When?
it? We bought it.
When?
It was in my bag, like always.
How was I supposed to know?
We bought it from the
Your
Dollar
slime
Tree.
is stupid.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
You just gotta knead it.
I don't care.
Okay, I think we need more Tide.
It's so stupid. It's stupidity. Extreme stupidity.
Added a lot more Tide. Oh, it's actually turned out a fluffy, good slime. Ugh, get off my finger. Turned out really good, actually. Ugh, sticky. Never mind. It's not good. It's not good at all. I need more Tide. Thank you. Why is there still shaving cream in there? I thought I mixed it. Weird. It's actually really fluffy. It's amazing slime. And if you have all these ingredients, go ahead and, you know, make it. Follow the instructions with me. It's actually really good slime. I never knew I could make slime this good. Okay. There we go. I'm gonna put this in this container. Should I add some glitter? I think I want to add some glitter to it. Just to make it fun. I don't think shaving cream is optional. I don't think shaving cream is optional. Because if you want to make fluffy slime, you have to add shaving cream or else it's not fluffy. Okay, I added some beads to it now. Some sparkles. I'm trying to get the rest off here. Yeah, I probably need to clean my bowl. I'll just make them in the containers, maybe. Yeah, that's good. Okay. And now, red, you're off to the side with the blue. Next is green. And my spoon isn't clean. Who cares? I'll just do it like that. Okay, first, not green coloring. You're gonna add some glue into your bowl. Well, I'm using a container. You can use it. You can use a container or anything. Okay. Add some to my container. I think that's enough glue. Okay, glue. Crap! You saw nothing. There we go. I thought this spilled, and I was right about to get so mad because I'll get in so much trouble. Okay, next, add some coloring. Crap! Please don't get some on my jeans. I got a little, but no one will notice. Hope there's washable paint. Anyways, I'm using finger paint for coloring, but you can use food coloring, you can use paint. You can use this paint, finger paint. Finger paint is just the same as paint. Okay, now mix it in. Mix, that's a light green. Okay, I forgot to add some water and maybe a little touch of shaving cream. I don't want, just want a little shaving cream, please. There we go. There we go. Just want to make it fluffy just a little. Add the activator. You can use contact lens solution or borax, but I don't want contact lens solution or borax because it makes you people are afraid of borax now because a girl got killed by borax. Yeah, she got killed by borax. And contact solution is just the same thing. So I prefer Tide because it's way safer. It's literally just glue and Tide. That's it. If we made one more regular slime and just glue and Tide, I want to see it. I never made regular before. Without any color this time. Okay, there we go. It's starting to work, but I can add a little more. I never played with real slime before. People always just get kits, slime kits, and they say, "Oh, I made this my own. I didn't buy it. I didn't buy a kit to make it." I know it because kids make slime kits. It doesn't really stretch. It doesn't really poke. Like, it's annoying. So that's how I know if it's real or not. But regular slime, it stretches really good. It pokes really good. That's how I know if it's like I don't know. Woo! That's a long. Okay, put that on the table, please. Or should I say on my book? There we go. Yeah, it's really sticky. It's really sticky. That's why I'm gonna add more activator to make it not that sticky. But I'm not gonna add a lot this time. It's really sticky. And also I have 2 more bottles of glue. It's in my bag because if I get 2 bottles, I get 1 more free. Get 2 and I get 1 more free. Okay, it's starting to get better. It starts to get better and better and better. I don't really like green slimes because green is for boogers. But I still like green. I just like it a little. One of my favorite color slimes is blue. It has a nice pop to it. Focusing on this. I really wish that you guys can feel this because it feels awesome right now. And this slime feels amazing and it's just good. You guys should try it out one day. If you have the ingredients. If not, you can go to Dollar Tree or you can go to Rite Aid. They have some glue at Rite Aid. And they also have some Tide. And you can go to Dollar Tree if you want some paint. They have some glitter paint there. Okay. But you can also go to Target or Walmart or something like that to get some ingredients for slime. Like Target has glue. I already know because I went to Target before. They have glue because me and my friend were trying to make, my cousin and me were trying to make slime. She got borax from her home, and then we went to Target. She got borax and glitter from her home. She got borax and glitter from her home. And we went to Target and we got some glue. Okay, this looks better now. This looks amazing now. It looks so good. Look at that. Made homemade slime. Okay, it's starting to get good. Let's get on with the next video. The next slime. Man, only watch this video if like you're extremely bored. Okay. Next and last is green, yellow. So, oops, still got some green here. Off my finger. Good. So now, add some glue. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. I'm not slime queen. I'm not slime queen. Don't comment down below. I'm not, because yesterday I made a big fail. Because of my brother. It wasn't my fault. It was my brother. I'll never listen to him ever again, and I'm just going to follow what my brain says. Okay. Ooh, that's green. Ugh! Okay. Okay, now I'm going to add some water. I don't want it that much, because crap. Add a little shaving cream. And now mix. Down you get. Okay. Now add activator. There we go. It's already forming. Tide is way quicker than borax. And it's way better than borax. It's better. Add more Tide to the cap. Oh, also in the comments when I was watching some videos, this channel is named Tide, and he has a picture of Tide, like the red Tide, the red colored Tide, not the yellow, like I have. And he keeps on commenting down below in the slime videos like, why? Why did you waste me? But he doesn't have any videos uploaded in his channel. I checked it out, but... What? Leave me alone. That's so stupid. I'm not in the mood to answer your questions like that. I had a lot. Okay, is that my business? No. Please don't color the slime yellow. Please don't color the slime. Woo! Okay, let's put this down on my table. We can start kneading it. What? Oh my god, that's your option. Leave me alone because I'm recording right now. No! Well, I didn't say nothing to you. Okay. If you blame me, then I'll just ignore you. This is actually way better. I love it. It's amazing. Ooh, that was big bubbles. Okay. Put this in its container, and we're gonna make one more, which is white slime. Regular white slime. There we go. Whoop. Take one more container. Slime. Okay. Of course, like always, you gotta add some glue. I might make this one fluffy. Just add a little bit of water because we don't want the fluffy slime that sticky. Then do one drop. I'm gonna add a lot of shaving cream because I want it really fluffy. Okay. Don't matter my hands. Please don't. This will make fluffy slime. Add some Tide. Ooh, that was a lot. Please don't color the slime. Please don't. Please. Oh. Stayed fresh white. Is it sticky to my hands? No, it doesn't stick to my hands when I touch it. Always check if it sticks to your hand or not. It's your finger. So I think it's ready to play with. Or need it. It's ready. Blaming they got 5 kills. 5 kills. What? Okay, is it my business? Congratulations. There.
That's not their blame on you. If I camped in a bush, I would have died. Why'd you tell me to do that, Nero?
I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
I thought it spilled.
Comment down on the comment section and show us the part where she said yes.
Comment down below if I said yes or no, because I did it.
So annoying.
30-minute video again.
Make a 30-minute video. It's only you who's gonna lose viewers.
No, I'm not. It's in half an hour. Only watch this video if you're so bored.
Apparently you.
Sticky. Okay. Okay, it's starting to get fluffier now. I think when I added the shaving cream, that's what makes it white. But if I added glue, water, and a little Tide, no, maybe the water, what made it stay white. Okay, this is getting really good. I love it so far. Ugh, get off my finger, please. I think it needs more Tide. A little more Tide. I don't want a lot. Just watch this video only if you're bored, because it's a really long video mixing these slimes. Look at that. It's amazing. Ugh, but it's sticky. I never knew that I could make such good slimes. It's like, I love the slime. I'll always take it with me. There we go. That's enough shaving cream. I always watch videos of slime, and I was so curious, and I was like, does Tide work? Or they just cut the video and they make it. Okay, it's starting to get really fluffy now. Comment down below if I said yes to camp in a bush. Because I didn't. Wow. Amazing fluffy slime. It's amazing. Look at the drips. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, and I hope this works for you. Comment down below if this works for you. Should I start doing comment of the day? I should. Okay, should I do comment of the day? Alright, comment of the day is, which one do you prefer? Pink glue or green? I'll prefer pink because my favorite color is pink. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!